Hello, everybody, and welcome to another gameplay episode. This is called Factorio, and I guess it's kind of in the name. You build out a factory. That's what you do, and so that's what we're doing here. As you can see, I've kind of already got a run going where I am putting things together, and I'm trying to create a mega factory of epic proportions. So I have this like main route here where like all of the resources are going to get channeled through, and you kind of build things out. You have to fight back aliens because they're like mad at you for polluting their planet, but we've got a factory to build, so who has time to worry about what the aliens think, right? Gonna build out some more conveyor belts and expand this belt just a little bit further. There. So yeah, I believe I was working on trying to get some science research made here, so I need to create a transport belt automation system, and I need to create a inserter automation system. So to build inserters, we need one iron plate, one iron gear wheel, and one electronic circuit. So I think I might, let's see. Oh, I have electronic circuits already being automated, so that helps. And then to build transport belts, I need one iron plate and one iron gear wheel. So it looks like we've already got that working too. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna build a branch off of this main hub here, and we'll start with the conveyor belt system, I think. So I like to do a system where like you branch off and then it goes. I think I might need to figure out where the buildings go first. So let's see. Let's build 4 assembling machines. That's what these buildings are. I can assign recipes to these machines, and then like they'll build what I assign it, if as long as they have the supplies. Wonder if it would be a smart idea to build it right here straight off of the assembly machine. I feel like that might gum up production down the line. But I guess for now we could probably get away with something like that. So I'm gonna take some inserters, and they're gonna grab the gears. So these little robot arms are gonna grab the gears off of this gear wheel. I don't know. I feel like that's not gonna work. Yeah, we're gonna do something different here. I'm gonna take these off, and we're going to do it over here instead. So probably right here, because the branch is right there. We'll go here, here, and then here, and then here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a kind of a double feeder, and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to take the iron plates off of this conveyor belt, and I'm going to turn them this direction. They're going to come down and get fed out right here underneath. There's like an underground conveyor belt system there. And they're going to come and feed in right here. Then I'm going to have an underground conveyor system that goes under this belt here. And it'll pop out right there. And then it should supply gears on one side of the track and then iron plates on the other side of the track. See how it's like separated? There's iron plates on the top, gears on the bottom. And that's exactly what we want. So I want to automate these robotic arms. Or rather, this is the transport belt recipe. So I select transport belt on the recipe selector. Oops, hold on. Change the recipe. Transport. There we go. Or wait, that didn't change it. There we go. Okay. Now we'll get some robot arms to put them on there. And then we need to supply power. because we don't have any electricity going to the system yet. So we'll put a power wire here, power here, power here, power here. Little tip, I guess. I don't really need the tip, but there's a little tip for us, I guess. Okay, so now, see, I don't know if we saw that. I might have been covering the screen when it was happening. But now, it's going to start building these robot arms, or rather the conveyor belts for us. And I'm wondering, I don't think I need, I guess I'll add them to the main belt. I don't know if I need to, but I'm going to. So we're going to build it out like this, and we'll have it turn out like this. And then I like to do this like system where there's like this like kind of this disjointed conveyor belt system, and I'll show you why in a moment. So if I put robot arms that grab the supplies from here, one set of robots is going to put the supply, like if you watch this robot, it's putting its belts up here, and this one is putting its belts down here on the bottom tread. So it's like really maximizing the amount of space we have to be able to build what we need, right? Like to like fill out the track. See how like on these supply routes I have them like double stacked? It's like a good way to do that. So we're gonna do that for a minute. I'm gonna add this to the main trunk. It's like, I like to call him the trunk because it's like this giant tree trunk of resources that propagates across the land, as you can see. And yeah, so now look, those machines, they're just pumping. See, they're just pumping out conveyor belts, just like that, easy peasy, right? Okay, so now we need to make an inserter automation. So we need iron plates, iron gear wheels, and electronic circuits. So plates, gear wheels, and then electronic circuits. So I'm gonna make a branch off of this, because I think I want them over here. We'll do 4 more buildings. I'm gonna build it out here, that way if I do want to expand, I have that option. And then it's just basically, it was kind of the same thing as last time. So we're gonna take the electronic circuits, and we'll have them come in like right here. So I'm gonna have it, or hold on, I'm gonna have it break off right here. And then I can enter an underground track, kind of build it out this way. Pretend I'm gonna still have some more room for expansion. And then we'll let it spit out right there. Come out this way. And then we will have another branch for the iron gears and the iron plates. So let's grab those. This. And if I'm smart about this, I could do something kind of clever where if I have an underground track here, and then have this like that, and then I can have my other branch for the iron wheels come out like this. So they come down, and then they get fed in right there. And that should double stack the conveyor belt, that way and save on space. So instead of having 3 conveyor belts, I can just have 2 conveyor belts. If I use these long arm robots, they'll reach and grab from that top rack, and then these short arm robots will reach and grab from the electronic circuits rack, right? So let's supply some power, and then we will select our recipe. We need inserters. There. And then let's connect it to the power grid. Need to bring it over here. And boom, they're connected. And then look at that. They're making inserters. Just like that. Easy peasy. So yeah, thanks for chilling, y'all. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of time with the factory. This is Factorio, and I hope you enjoyed learning a thing or two about how I like to build a facility. I'm not going to sit here and tell you I know what I'm doing, by the way. Like, this is just the way that I do it. You can do it any way you like. There's no right or wrong answers. It's just fun. So enjoy yourself. We'll see you in the next episode. Thanks.